Which electric dirt bike is actually good under $1,500? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, OU Adult ATV Dirt Bike Helmet. Priced at $89.95, this caught my attention because it's not just a helmet. It comes with goggles, gloves, and a mask. If you want a complete safety package for your dirt biking adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The OU helmet meets DOT FMVSS 218 safety standards, meaning it's designed to keep you safe while you're out there hitting the trails. Made from a durable ABS shell and equipped with EPS linings, it's built to last. Plus, the multiple air vents mean you'll stay cooler during those hot rides, which is crucial when you're working up a sweat. The quick release design makes it easy to put on and take off, so you're not fumbling around when you're ready to ride. Over 100 of these helmets were sold this past month, indicating that people are recognizing its value. Now, some people complained about the sizing being a bit off. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to measure your head and refer to their size chart, you should be fine. It's not a deal breaker if you pay attention. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a solid helmet that comes with everything you need for your dirt biking experience. Skip this one if you're not interested in a full safety package and just want a basic helmet. It's a solid value for the price. Now, if the sizing issue concerned you, this next option might take a completely different approach. Product number 2, OMER's Adult Motocross Helmet. The OMER's Adult Motocross Dirt Bike Helmet for $63.60. This one also includes goggles, gloves, and a mask, which is pretty impressive for the price. If you're looking for a reliable helmet that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth considering. The OMER's Motocross helmet meets the same DOT safety standards as the previous one, providing a similar level of protection. With its multiple air vents, you'll find that airflow is consistent, which is essential for those hot days out riding. It also features double D-ring straps for a secure fit, ensuring that it stays on even during the most intense rides. The fact that it's lightweight at just 1,180 grams makes it comfortable for long periods. It's worth noting that over 50 of these helmets sold recently, highlighting its popularity among riders. However, some users mention that the sizing is a bit snug for those with larger heads. But honestly, if you pick the right size according to their chart, you should be okay. This isn't a deal breaker for most riders. Just double check before you buy. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable yet dependable helmet for casual rides. Skip this one if you prefer something with a bit more potting and comfort for longer rides. You're getting a great deal here. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for kids who are just starting out.
Product number 3, Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket. Let's talk about the Razor MX350 Dirt Rocket electric bike for kids aged 8 and up. This bike is built for fun and priced affordably, though I couldn't find the exact price listed. What I can tell you is that if you want to give your child a thrilling dirt bike experience while keeping safety in mind, this is a fantastic choice. The Razor MX350 hits speeds of up to 14 miles per hour, which is exciting without being overwhelming for younger riders. It has a sturdy steel frame that can handle rough terrains like grassy hills and playground slopes. The soft rubber grips and twist grip throttle provide a comfortable ride, while the 12-inch pneumatic tires ensure good traction. Additionally, it runs for about 30 minutes on a full charge, which is plenty of time for some serious backyard adventures. Over 200 units were sold this past month, proving its popularity among parents. One thing to note is that some parents reported that the bike can struggle on steep hills. But here's the thing, for most kids, especially beginners, this bike is perfect for learning and getting comfortable with dirt biking. This is perfect for you if you're a parent looking for a safe and fun entry-level dirt bike for your child. Skip this one if your kid is a more experienced rider looking for something more powerful. The value here is exceptional considering the features. Now, if you're looking for something a little more powerful, the next bike on our list is definitely worth your attention.
Product number 4, Mototech 36V Pro Electric Dirt Bike. We have the Mototech 36V Pro Electric Dirt Bike with a 1,000-watt lithium battery. While I don't have a price listed, this bike is often regarded as a solid choice for those wanting something more powerful. If you want a bike that offers a bit more oomph for your dirt biking adventures, this one deserves your consideration. This electric dirt bike is designed for teen riders, making it an excellent option for those 13 and older. The 1,000-watt motor gives it a performance edge, allowing for a thrilling ride without the noise of gas-powered bikes. It's also lightweight, making it easier to control for younger or less experienced riders. While it's not detailed, users have noted that it's built to withstand tough riding conditions, giving you confidence in its durability. However, some reviews mention that it may have limited battery life compared to other models. Now, I'll be real with you. If you're planning longer rides, this could be a concern, but for short, fun rides, it's still a great option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a good electric bike for a teen who craves speed and excitement. Skip this one if you're looking for something more suited for racing or long-distance trails. The value is solid for the performance. All right, that brings us to our last pick, which is a real powerhouse for those who want to tackle some serious trails.
Product number 5, Scoot Nova X Electric Dirt Bike. We have the Scoot Nova X Electric Dirt Bike. Though I don't have the exact price, this bike is designed for the more adventurous rider, able to reach speeds up to 46 miles per hour. If you want serious performance and a great range, this bike is worth your attention. The Scoot Nova X features a 4,000-watt peak motor and can climb slopes of 40 degrees, which is impressive. The advanced battery system provides a range of over 50 miles, making it perfect for longer excursions without the constant worry of running out of juice. The bike is also equipped with hydraulic brakes, ensuring responsive stopping power, which is crucial for safety on rough terrains. It's designed to keep young riders comfortable and in control, absorbing bumps effectively. While the exact sales figures aren't available, the excitement about this bike is definitely evident in reviews. One downside some users mentioned is the need for parental supervision, especially for younger riders. Here's the thing, it's a high-performance bike, and while that's exciting, it's important to ensure that inexperienced riders are supervised. It's not a deal-breaker, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you're a parent of a teen who's ready for a thrilling ride and has some experience. Skip this one if safety is your top priority and your child is still learning. Considering the performance, it's a great value. In conclusion, we've covered a range of options, from budget helmets to powerful dirt bikes. Whether you're a parent looking for safety or an adventurer seeking thrill, there's something here for everyone.
We started with the Oomers helmet, which is a solid safety choice. Then the Oomers motocross helmet, a great budget option. The Razor MX350, perfect for kids. The Mototech for teens wanting more power. And finally, the Scoot Nova X for those craving adventure. Whatever your needs, these options under $1,500 can truly deliver.